Hello, we're freshmen here at NYU Shanghai, and right now we are in the middle of the Chinese New Year festival.
It's really exciting to be a part of this and see it because it really brings together a lot of different cultures and it teaches us a lot about China as well. So it's really new and different for us.
It was really fun to have lots of different dumplings, and they had a lot from different cultures too. And they had like lots of different meat and like veggies, so there's options for everyone. And now after this, we're gonna go do a lot of activities. There's so many fun ones. There's like paper cutting, there's something with mahjong, and I've always wanted to learn, so like maybe I'll learn. This is Dumpling Fest. This is the first time we're having it at our new campus. I just found out that today is Xiaonian, which in northern China they eat dumplings today, which I love that we're giving out free dumplings today. So I hope everyone from northern China is feeling like a bit at home right now.
在我们这个中外合办的学校里面，我们一半是中国人，一半是外国人嘛。然后我觉得存在着这种可以宣传弘扬中国传统文化的活动是非常有意义的，可以让外国人更好的了解我们的文化，也可以让我们一直记住自己的文化。祝大家春节快乐，然后新的一年身体健康，万事如意。
龙年大吉，新春快乐！龙年大吉！